Question number 2. So, what exactly causes bowel movements to become bowel stops? What causes constipation? Now, constipation is such a difficult problem for patients and also for us as physicians to have, because there's so many reasons why people are constipated, and it could be a combination of all the different causes that are there. Number 1 for sure is diet. Diet plays a big role when it comes to constipation. If you eat like crap, you're gonna poop like crap. You're not gonna poop very, very good. I'll go into a little bit about what steps I recommend. Number 2, you may have certain medical conditions that make it more difficult for you to have a bowel movement, whether it's diabetes or autoimmune diseases or some other thing that slows down your GI tract. Number 3, you actually may be on medications that have a side effect of constipation. Almost every single medication out there has some GI side effect, whether it's pain, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. And some of the more common medications that can cause constipation include blood pressure medications, pain medications, opiates, things like that. Things that you may not think may be playing a role in your gut actually does play a role in your gut. It can make people constipated. Next, you can have rectum issues. Sometimes the rectum muscles are so tight that nothing wants to pass through, and you are literally anally retentive. Nothing will pass through. Number 5, you may have an underlying GI issue, whether it's irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut, dysbiosis, pelvic floor dysfunction. Next, you actually may have a protrusion in your bottom preventing things from passing out, whether there are very large hemorrhoids, whether there's a rectocele or a cystocele or things like that. And for some people, it may be all the above, and sometimes that makes it more difficult for me as a GI doctor to treat patients of constipation, because it may be things outside the GI tract that are affecting what's going on in there, or you may need some surgical treatment to get this taken care of for you as well.